We're ready to show the world what it's all about. Check this!
AirDog is a quadcopter that automatically follows the rider and captures the action using a GoPro camera. AirDog flies and follows, making sure that your every move is perfectly captured.
AirDog follows the rider by tracking the air leash. Air leash sends control commands and tracking signal to the drone.
Why confine yourself to stationary videos or a ground level perspective? The AirDog takes things to a whole new level. It's a totally hassle-free way to get unreal footage. You don't need remote control skills. You don't need to operate the drone. You just need to concentrate on your best performance. AirDog does the rest. Put the air leash on your wrist or helmet, turn the AirDog and remote on, press takeoff, and you're done. Let the games begin. AirDog is now in action. You can make any necessary altitude adjustments or set the distance and angle, and you're good to go.
Hello, I'm Seb.
And I'm Colton.
Today we are bringing you the most advanced running robot in the world.
We have all seen robots doing great stuff in movies, but the reality is they are slow and hard to control. We started Robotics Unlimited to change the status quo.
So what's Outrunner?
Outrunner is a biologically inspired, legged robot that emulates running.
So Outrunner is based on several years of research. We started with animal biomechanics, then went into computer simulation, mechanical design, control algorithm development, and also very neat, efficient electronics.
The result is a cutting-edge robot that's extremely fast, inherently stable, and extremely efficient. During our research effort, we broke the world speed record for legged robots. We reached speeds of 45 miles per hour on a treadmill and 25 miles per hour in outdoor testing.
Outrunner is the only passive running robot. It's inherently stable at running speed. We went through several iterations to refine the robot design.
We improved the manufacturing techniques to make the robot strong and light.
We integrated as much intelligence as possible so you can drive it and steer it with a very simple remote control on your smartphone.
Gyrobike is the easiest and quickest way to learn how to ride a bicycle. Using a gyrobike, kids can learn to ride without training wheels or stabilizers and learn to ride in one afternoon.
Well, as far as a child learning to ride a bike, confidence is everything. Having a product that gives that stability from the outset could really fast track child's development and confidence in cycling.
I mean, as far as I'm concerned, the gyro bike is the paperclip of the bicycle world. I mean, why has nobody done it before? It's such a brilliant concept.
Well, any spinning disc is a gyroscope. It's just a matter of what you do with the gyroscope to put it to work for you. When you spin a disc, it creates a force. It doesn't want to move off its axis. What we do is we turn it on its side, and when this spinning disc is tilted, it actually turns the wheel so that the child can continue riding upright.
I could see the opportunity here, not just for children, but started to think about how this technology could help more people.
A lot of children with disability get left behind, and therefore something that people take for granted, like riding a bike, and not being a 12-year-old with stabilizers, would give them so much confidence.
Go, honey, go! Well done, look at you! That's the furthest. Well, that's the first time she's ever actually got on a bike, yeah, and been able to ride it, yeah.
This high-grade neodymium magnet is 72 millimeters in diameter, it's 60 millimeters thick, it weighs 1.8 kilos, and yet it has a clamping force of over 300 kilos. Now this magnet is perfectly safe until it sees a thick piece of steel, or even worse, it attracts to another magnet. Now when two magnets suddenly jump together, if your hand is in between, all your fingers will get cut off. Now we're going to do a demonstration. I'm going to put my hand in between two magnets and we're going to see what happens when these two fantastic magnets collide and my hand is trapped in between. To do this demonstration, I'm going to need two of these magnets. A non-magnetic stainless steel pole runs through the magnet, and I am loading on the second magnet. Right, if you don't like broken bones, blood, gore, please look away now. This isn't going to be pretty. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate what can happen when a hand is caught between two large neodymium magnets. Now the magnets that we use don't look particularly large, but with a pulling force of 300 kilos, I think it graphically shows what can go wrong. Now there are applications where magnets of this size are needed, and if you need to assemble them into an assembly and you don't want to end up looking like me, then give us a call. At firstformagnets.com we have engineers who are specially trained to handle these magnets. They use specially designed equipment to make sure that everybody keeps the fingers. Thanks for watching.
Hey, I'm Devin, founder of LightFreak. LightFreak is a Bluetooth light bulb with built-in HD audio.
Devin brought us an idea. He wanted to put a speaker into a light bulb. We thought that was brilliant.
The major difficulty was fitting all of it into such a tiny little package. You have to be able to put enough light and you have to be able to put enough sound that doesn't sound too tinny, doesn't sound too muffled, the voices sound clear. We wanted it to have as much bass as we could possibly put into it while still sounding great. We have a lot of technology in here which allows us to do a lot of things. We can use it for an intercom, we can use it for a speaker system.
You can change the light temperature and the light color.
It does notifications, it can wake you up in the morning. It's just packed with technology and features. And I'd like to give you a demonstration. LightFreak works in tandem with your smart device, allowing you to get visual notifications. Receive notifications throughout your home or office, no matter where your device is located. The included app allows you to set different colors for notifications. You'll know what's important before you get up and walk to your smart device. LightFreak provides mood lighting and sound that's perfect for personal or commercial use, like dinner at home or a nice restaurant.
The technology at our fingertips can help us do amazing things.
It can help us navigate the world, know which restaurant to book tonight, or know what song is playing on the radio. But when it comes to the actual stuff around us, if you're not sure or just don't know, well, you're on your own.
I'm Damien.
And I'm Dror. And we're excited to introduce SIO. SIO is the first molecular sensor that fits in the palm of your hand.
It scans the molecular fingerprint of an object and provides relevant instant information about its chemical makeup.
You can use it to log the chemical fingerprint, record it, and share with your friends.
Imagine if there was a way to know which watermelon is sweeter.
When is that avocado going to ripen? How many calories, carbs, or proteins are in that shake?
How your plants are doing. Imagine if there was a way to know the chemical makeup of everything you come in contact with. The applications are endless.